How to check post insights on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now keep in mind that this will only work if you have a professional account, and it doesn't matter whether it's a creator or a business account, meaning that if you have a personal account, you won't be able to see post insights the way that I will about to show you right now. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the post that you want to check the insights for. Once you're here, you can see at the bottom left of the post a blue text that says View Insights. Click on it. It will take you to this page where you can see all the post insights, including the likes, the comments, the saves, the shares, the reach and engagements and stuff like that. And you can do the rest with the same with any post that you want. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see any post insights on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.